The Ton blockchain or the Gram blockchain is about to explode. And what if I tell you that with 1.25 gram, you will be able to accumulate as much as 100 and above, depending on how you are consistent on this platform? This is Toncrown Nexus. So let me quickly introduce you to this platform. Just follow me. So you may want to ask, what is Toncrown Nexus? Toncrown Nexus is a Web3 platform focused on AI optimized yield staking, community participation, level upgrades, VIP classes, and referral rewards built around the Ton ecosystem, which is also known as the Gram ecosystem. So the idea here is simple, is to create a system where users can position themselves within the ecosystem through levels and VIP participation, while the platform's smart contract structure a design to distribute eligible ecosystem fee and reward among participants. So these are some of the interesting things that you must know about Toncrown Nexus. It's an AI optimized yield staking, 10 progressive levels, 3 VIP yields level, automated referrals and spillover structure built around the Ton ecosystem, which is also known as the Gram Gram ecosystem. Strong focus on community growth and participation. All right, so to further buttress my point, while I was still registering this project, this video rather, you can see I just have a direct downline who upgraded from level 1 to level 3, and you can see what I've earned, 2.94 gram automatically. All right, so this is how the system actually works. Now let me quickly explain it. Like I said, primarily Toncrown Nexus is an AI staking platform. You can see it here. This is what they do primarily. So this referral base that they just introduced to it, all right, it gives you the ability to generate capital instead of you trying to work out capital. So if you can refer, if you can be on an active team, you'll be able to gather capital and leverage on this stake. This stake is not, you must not stake, but it gives you a leverage to generate capital by building strong network under yourself. Now let me explain according to what is written here. So from your direct downline, you are going to get 50% of whatever they use in activating each of those positions. All right, remember position 1, all right, level 1, you can see it here. Let me just quickly refresh. All right, so level 1 is 1.25 gram, level 2 is 2.51 gram, level 3 is 3.77 gram, level 4 is 5.03 gram, level 6 is 6.27 gram, level down to level 9 11.29 gram. So level 10 is 12.55 gram. So you get 50% of each of this level once you are in that level. So you get 50% from your direct downline. All right, so you get 50% from your direct downline. Why? Your level 2 referral, you get 30%. All right, once using the same link, so you get 30% from your level 2. So your level 1, you get 50%, your level 2, you get 30%. Then spillover, as you can see, there's spillover. This one is the system automatically generate this one from the activity of the team. And we also have global we have level 1 spillover, we have level 2 spillover, and we have this global spillover. This one is generated from the team, all right, from the company directly, from Toncrown company directly. And the maximum downline you can get is 6 direct referrals, 6 direct. All right, so let's see this spillover system. He said when your 6 direct slots are full, new users replace through your link spill into your downlines. You still earn commission and your network keeps growing automatically. So basically, each of this level you are seeing, each of this level you are seeing now, you have only 6 direct downline on each of them from level 1 to level 10. You have only 6 slots for each of the level, right? So When your 6th position is filled, the 7th person will be allocated to your first downline. So the next person that will come, the second person that will come will be allocated to the second downline of that of people in your level 1. So this is how the structure goes. So the reason why they did this is so that everyone in the system, so that they will be able to earn whether they refer or not. Now, remember that I said that primarily this platform is an AI staking platform. So let me explain the stake section. All right. So this staking, you have level 1, level 2, and level 3. All right. So level 1, you earn 1%. Level 2, you earn 1.5%, while level 3, you earn 2%. Right. So in this your level, right, you can see from if you open level 1, level 2, level 3, and level 4, right, you can see VIP 1 is open for you. Level 4, from level 4 to level 5 to level 6 is VIP 1. So if you are in level 4 or level 5 or level 3, when you stake on this platform, you'll be earning 1% of gram of whatever you stake. All right, you'll be earning 1% of whatever you stake. And this one is not compulsory. You mustn't stake. You can choose to stake or not to stake. So when you are in level 8, as you can see on the screen, level 8 and level 7, level 8, VIP 2 is open to you. That means you'll be earning 1.5%. Now when you get to level 3, level 9, and level 10, VIP 3 is open for you. You can see VIP 3. This VIP 3, you'll be earning 2% of whatever you stake. Remember, this staking is not a must, but you can choose to stake and you can choose not to stake. But this referral program help you generate capital. All right. So just ensure you leverage on it so you can now choose to stake or not to stake. So this is how to get started. All you have to do, fund your, what is it called, your gram, that's your Tonkeeper with 1.3 gram. All right, click on browser, then you grab the referral link in the comment section or the description of my video. You just go ahead and enter it. So once you paste in the link, it's going to open like this. Then you click on continue. You can just keep tutorial. All right, so you just go ahead and click on connect wallet. All right, click on connect wallet and your wallet will be connected. As you can see, you just go ahead and click on register. All right, you click on register, then you just go ahead and confirm. Then you can see 1.3 gram will be deducted from your balance to open your level 1. All right, so once you see, okay, so you have been charged, and the next thing right now, you just wait for it to be confirmed. As you can see, level 2 has opened now, so level 1 is now opened. So now you can see it now. This is I'm currently in level 1 in this. So remember, there's a daily check-in, so do your daily check-in to claim 0.01 gram. All right, so you just go ahead and slide, then you have, and this daily check-in can be did every 24 hours to claim 0.01 gram. All right, so now if you come to level, you can see that you have level 1 is already completed, and subsequently you can start upgrading as your team continue to grow, as your slot continue to fill. So you start upgrading level. So to go to level 2 now, you need 0.251 to go to level 2, but I'm not going to level 2, just level 1 is enough. Once I've earned in this level, you can see I have 0 downline. Once I've earned, and there's no spillover, so once I've earned in this level, then I can start using that capital I earned from my downlines or spillovers to upgrade other levels. So that's just the registration process. Very simple. All right, so as I conclude this path, all you have to do is to stay active on this project, take your position, and start upgrading your slot. So the more slot you upgrade, the more earning you are open to. Remember, we have 10 levels, so you can choose to start with level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. Right now, just start, open level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, and start earning. So you start making referrals, start building your structure, start building your matrix. This is how it works, and this is all well. And the more you put in the effort, the more you earn. I have 3 direct team members right now, level 1, and I have just 6 for my level 1 to be filled up, and now the system will start generating referrals for them automatically. So first come, first serve. All right, see you in my next video, and remember, the link is in the description to get started and also in my comment box.